Hey guys, what's up? My name is Tom Spark and welcome back to another video. I just made a video on how to protect your IP while torrenting, staying as close to 100% anonymity as possible. And in that video, I was using Torguard VPN, and I mainly focused on how to use the Killswitch for Torguard VPN, as well as the application Killswitch to make sure nothing ever leaks on the application. The network Killswitch is pretty good. It's going to turn off your main kind of internet connection. However, I found out that sometimes, your computer might connect to Wi-Fi or something like that if the main connection kind of gets canceled out from a Killswitch. So in that case, the application Killswitch did shut down Qbittorrent to prevent any leaks. However, there's also another method that you can use that is more reliant kind of on the program itself, not so much the VPN itself, which is still very useful. And I'm going to show you that trick today. You could use a combination of all the methods or just this one. It's really up to you to decide which one you want to use. But today I'm going to show you how to do that. So today we're going to be using WeVPN. It's a great VPN service, number 2 rated on the channel right now. If you want to go check it out, it's amazing. Use code TOMSPARK. You can get 10% off, and links will be down in the description down below. So guys, today we're using WeVPN, and what we're going to be doing is using the WireGuard protocol in this section here. If you go to settings, you can find WireGuard right there in the protocol. So basically what we're going to do is go to options in Qbittorrent. That's the one I recommend using. Open source, no ads or anything like that. We're going to go to advanced. And now we're going to pick the network interface. Go to WeVPN WireGuard. Click apply. Okay. Exit out and start it again. So basically what I'm going to show you here, guys, is that we're going to be downloading it. And we're going to see, it's starting up again. You can see the speeds here going up pretty good. Very nice. WeVPN, as you can see, pretty fast. Very nice. Doing really well right now, actually. Probably top tier speeds right there. 63. Excellent. So basically now what we're going to see is if that kill switch works. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect. And as you can see, it immediately went to 0 bytes a second. So the kill switch within Qbittorrent works really well. You don't even have to really worry about configuring the kill switch in your application. Just kind of another method that I wanted to show you guys in combination with my past video to decide kind of, how you want to do it. There's multiple different ways. Not only that, but like I said, you could use the BitTorrent proxy in the proxy settings, and you could check that video if you want to learn how to do that. So yeah, there's a lot of ways to ensure 100% anonymity. You don't have to use all the ways. You could use one way, whatever is your favorite way. This is probably one of the easiest ways to ensure complete, no IP leaks while torrenting, as you saw how easy it was to do as well. So thanks guys, thanks for checking out this quick tip video. Click on the link down in the description down below to download WeVPN if you want to check that out, or check out the other tier 1 VPNs. Use my promo codes, and I'll see you again in the next video very soon.